Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create this logo using the Shape Builder tool and the Line Segment tool. Create this logo with very simple techniques. So let's start with the tutorial. Select the Ellipse tool. Left-click on the mouse. Let's give in width and height to be 200. And click OK. So that removes the color and fills it with stroke color. Let's give the stroke thickness around 35 pt. And after that, we'll make one more ellipse tool from the center. Select the ellipse tool. Hold Alt and Shift and drag. And give this circle stroke thickness around 25 pt. And after that, we will select the Line Segment tool. Hold Shift and create a line segment from two anchor points. And after that, just drag it down using the mouse arrow key. Now go to the Line Segment tool. We will create one more line segment from this anchor point. Hold Shift and drag. Now we will select the All Pieces. And go to Object, Expand, and click OK. After that you can go to the Pathfinder and compound that object. OK. Now select this ellipse and go to the object and expand. Now go to the Rectangle tool. Zoom in and work. From this anchor point just drag out. And make the rectangle like this. OK. Select these two pieces. And subtract. We will take one more rectangle. With this rectangle from this anchor point, just drag out. And after that, select these two pieces and subtract. So our logo is almost finished. Now go to the Rectangle tool. Draw a small rectangle. Make this a little shorter. And make this a little bigger. Now select all of this and subtract. OK, now select this. And press I to the eyedropper tool and select this color. OK. Now select all and press Ctrl+G to group. Hold Shift and rotate this at 45 degrees. Our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.